Whoa, you must have been a beautiful baby. You must have been a beautiful child. When you were only starting to go to kindergarten, I bet you drove those other childs wild. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, when it came to winning blue ribbon, well, I bet you taught the other kids how. Well, I can see the judge's eyes as they handed you the prize. I bet you took the cutest bow. Yeah, you must have been a beautiful baby. 'Cause baby, won't you look at you now? Come on, do the wild now,
That is one of the things that obviously we're going to have to explore, is the way in which our whole understanding of our life stories, and particularly the writing of those life stories, involves a complex, mysterious, fascinating amalgam of memory and imagination. The other thing is that self-writing, particularly, and I'll elaborate on this a little bit later, when it takes the form of autobiography rather than memoir, that kind of self-writing incorporates what Aristotle, remember we looked at the poetics in the Greek and Roman course, what Aristotle meant by the word mythos. That is, that we inevitably try at least to impose a kind of plot on our life story. And that's what the word mythos meant for Aristotle. That we try to discover some kind of unified shape, some kind of way in which all the parts of the story really belong together to make a story, right?
Christine, in the Myth program, you were our professor on our very first day and will be our instructor in our last session this summer. We have studied many deities and epics under your careful guidance, but perhaps the greatest lesson we have learned from you is by example, how to be a scholar and true to yourself. Now that our cohort's time with you is ending, we will take the knowledge gained here and fly. No, we will soar.
I believe that as deep, as powerful in our souls as the longing for wholeness is the longing for connection, for deep connection with others, the longing for relationship, which is something really different from bliss or fusion. It's engagement with the other, as ineluctably, mysteriously other, but there and as fully engaged with me as I am with him or her. So, to be fully present now to this particular other who is here with me now, not some distant goal, is, from this perspective that I've been trying to articulate, what journeying is all about. Put simply, I, as a woman and as a feminist, am called to say that the journey is not so much a journey from ego to self, but rather a journey from narcissism to eros.